Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by giving the apps immediate permissions. Grant microphone, notifications, and overlay right so voice features work in background. Then install a third-party assistant and a high-quality TTS engine. This gives you a natural voice. Once done, download a voice pack that approximates Siri's tone and set the TTS engine as default. Make sure to disable battery restrictions for the Assistant app so it stays responsive. You're now ready to configure wake word and shortcuts in the app. You'll now teach the Assistant how to wake and reply. Open the Assistant settings, enable wake word detection, and record your chosen phrase. Adjust sensitivity to avoid false triggers. Next, map common commands to app actions and Android shortcuts so voice queries open apps, send messages, or set reminders. Then fine-tune the TTS voice by adjusting speed and pitch to match a Siri-like cadence. Make sure to test several phrases and refine any misheard words in the Assistant's command editor for reliability. Finish by integrating the Assistant with Google services, calendar, and smart home devices so it behaves like Siri across tasks. Create fallback text or button shortcuts for noisy places where voice fails. That gives you continuity. Test routine chains and tweak permissions if automations don't run. If recognition or responses break, restart the Assistant, clear app cache, and confirm microphone permission again. A quick app reinstall fixes corrupted settings. Keep one troubleshooting tip. Check battery optimization first, allow the app to run unrestricted.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.